In this video, we're going to be looking at what we consider the best clip-on pole fan to come out to the market yet, and that is the Cloudray Series from AC Infinity. Currently, it's available in 3 different models: the Cloudray A6, which is a manually adjusted 10-speed 6-inch clip-on fan, and then there is the S6, which is the auto-oscillating version of that same 6-inch 10-speed clip-on fan. Then we have the Cloudray A9 9-inch clip-on fan with 10 speeds and a manually set head. All 3 of these versions come with pretty similar contents in the box, so we're going to unbox the 6-inch version today and show you what comes inside. Just like all the other AC Infinity gear, it comes with nice clean packaging, packed in here nice and tight. Comes with an instruction manual and a book on how to grow your favorite plants. Got a nice solid piece of foam, and let's see what we have in the box. We have the fan unit itself with a nice long cord here. Looks pretty solid. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have an extension cord, and we have the bracket that mounts on the tent. This seems pretty solid. Easy way to clip it to the pole. What else do we have? This is an adapter for the old style connection to the new style. Alright, we got the unit and we have the bracket that attaches to the pole, and we're going to unscrew this post from the cap on the other side and get ready to attach the main unit. Once we have these 2 disconnected, we're going to take the fan part itself and we're going to slide it right in between these 2. Should fit in there pretty square. You should know when it's right in there and see when it's lined up through the holes. We're going to put the cap back on this side, and then we're going to insert the screw part right back in this hole. We're going to screw this back tight, snug with your fingers but not too tight. And there we have it. That's all it takes to fully assemble the fan. All 3 models are really similar. They have the same connecting piece here, and that's it. Alright, now that we have our fan over here on the pole, let's take a look at the buttons. There's 2 buttons on the back of this version of the fan, and the one on the left is going to be this fan speed control button. And when you press this button, the lights are going to light up indicating what level the fan is at. And the more times you press this, it will go all the way to 10 and then back to 0 again. The other button on this particular version is the oscillation button. When you press this, the fan will start the auto oscillation mode. The other 2 versions that don't oscillate will not have this button, but they will be similar in all the other aspects. If you use one of the smart controllers that are currently in the UIS AC Infinity ecosystem, then you'll connect here with the UIS extension cord. After we get our UIS extension cord all connected to the controller 69 or whichever controller we're using to control it, it will now be controlled by the controller itself. Now that we have the fan connected to the UIS system, we can control it right here from the hardware, or we can control it from the application. Whatever changes you make in the app will be displayed on the screen on the hardware. And there we have it. This fan puts out some of the best air movement that we've seen on any clip-on fan yet today. And with the S6's oscillation capabilities, you just can't be beat. Remember, this comes in 3 different variations, the 9-inch and the 2 6-inches, one that oscillates and one that does not. Check the description below for a link to all 3. And remember, all 3 can connect to any of the UIS controllers. Alright, if you found any of this information useful, hit that subscribe button and stick around for some of our future content.